Alright, so today's December 22nd, so we got one job today. It's been slow month of December, but do not panic when you have a slow month or a slow week. It tends to happen when Christmas is around. But it's pretty ugly outside. A lot of rain, pretty cold. So you gotta stay warm. Alright, just got to the client house. I've been sitting approximately about 10 minutes, so since she's 2 minutes out. And as you can see, it's a 2-story home. And sorry for the wetness on my glass, because it's just got done raining, so I'll show y'all more.